Yung humor kasi namin, sobrang weird. Weird ng humor namin talaga. I think kaya kami nagkakasundo.
Masarap love life namin, okay naman. Love life namin, okay naman.
Yung akin kaya?
Year of the Horse, maganda daw.
Sa Dragon,
Dragon Horse.
ay, the best. Love it.
Yeah, Dragon Horse, remember Donkey and the Dragon. Sa Shrek. Oh, diba?
That's the best! That's the best!
Diba Donkey, girlfriend niya yung dragon?
And they made dragon babies. Dragon dog.
Donkey babies.
You're the best. Yes, that's the perfect description. That's the only way I will accept you and me as magkakaulog may
You're the dragon, I'm the donkey.
when people say they're the next like this, no, we're the next dragon and donkey.
Atid.
Ba, ano Alexa, gusto mo i-try? Okay, ano ang gusto mong itanong sa'yo na, you know, yung mag-like ka talaga, like anything.
Kayo bahala na lang.
Sige, kumain ka na ba kanina before this?
Oo, buffet.
Buffet. Okay, so hindi ka ngayon okay. Akala ko legit.
Only rice.
Honey rice, honey meat.
Lahat.
Oo.
Barbecue.
Wow!
Oh,
Okay! OMG! So, bakit ganon, Hindi mo masabi. Hindi masabi.
Ang pangit ko doon, I can feel it.
Hello, Alexa, you're so pretty. Yeah.
I can tell who your real idol is.
Yes.
It's not even James Reid or Daniel. It's not even.
Who is it?
It's not Negulapa.
Yeah.
Alam ko na sa birthday mo, I'll reach out to him and ask for a video. Great.
Actually, I'd love that.
Get alive. Get alive, KD. You're so weird.
You're so pretty.
I was thinking, KD Gulapa. And then you suddenly said, you're so pretty. Oh, thank you. Kulit. Super. Super kulit. Super kulit. This boy. Yeah, with me only.
Only.
Yeah.
Soulja Boy,
Ako'y alipin na pag-ibig mo.
Okay. Pumiyo po. Okay, wait. Sorry. Ay, ano?
They're so mean to you.
What did they say?
Mana daw sa'yo yung guitar. Cute if nakamotor si KD. Mas cute siya pag wala.
Mas cute ako pag di ako nasagasaan.
Oo, mas cute yun.
And I would always joke na, because he was 2 years younger than me, I was like, oh, nandito, ano to, baby, he's a baby. Baby boy. And
Ikaw, anong feeling mo naman kay Alexa, no?
Ayun, same lang, but opposite.
Big sister.
Yeah, kind of like
Yeah.
that.
Oh. Oh, and then,